All right, so now we're going to do an example on tables for IS40A. And this example is shown in code and in the browser view here in front of you. So let's take a look at the table first of all. We have a table of cars, and we have a header row here, which has car make, year, and color. Then we have 4 cars here, and you can see I'm a little partial, but anyway, I have 4 cars with different years and their colors. And then we have one long cell across the bottom with a copyright in it. And we also have a border around the table. So how did this get made? What's the structure to it? Let's take a look. So in this HTML page, I really just made the table. I didn't make anything else. So I left everything else off the HTML page. So we have 2 things to look at. We have the style section right here, and that's in the head. And then in the body, we have the table, which is right here. And that's what I want to start with looking at, and we'll go back to the style. So the table is broken up into 3 parts. We have a T-head section for the head of the table. We have a T-body section for the body of the table. And we have a T-foot section for the footer of the table. If we look at the head, we have TR, open TR, which is a table row, close TR down here, and then inside we have 3 TH tags, or sets of TH tags. TH is for table header. That makes them bold, the text bold up here and centered. Car make, year, and color. We close the table row and the table head. And that's it for that. Now you say, well, where'd the color come in? Well, that's CSS. We'll deal with that in a few minutes. T-body. We have 3 sets of table rows, or actually 4. TR, 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 and TR. Each TR has 3 sets of TD tags in it, standing for table data. And I'm just going to go over one because they're all 4 the same except for their contents of the text. So we have, in this case, TR, TD, Mercedes, close TD, TD 2018, close TD, TD white, close TD. It's right here, this bottom one. Again, the yellow will have to be taken care of in the CSS, but also by default, these cells should all be to the left. So that is also taken care of in CSS. And then we have the T-foot for table foot down here. We have TR. And instead of 3 TD cells or TH cells like we've had in the others, we just have 1 TD cell. But we have inside the open TD tag, we have col span or column span equals 3. It means merge 3 cells together. And then we put our copyright 2019 and close the TD. So we don't need to make the other TD cells because we have absorbed them by merging them with a column span of 3. Then we close the foot and the table. Now, this one also, this copyright 2019 also should be to the left. So that's also taken care of in CSS. Let's take a look at the CSS for centering all these but the head, which was already centered, and doing the colors. So if we come up here to style, we have a table. We have width is 500, border 1 pixel, solid black. That's how we get the border on the table and how we get the overall width of the table. T-head, background color is green. That means the table heading row will be, in the table head, will be green. Now, it is possible to have more than 1 row in a T-head section. And in that case, they all would be green if we'd had more than 1. T-body, background color is yellow. Notice we have 4 TRs within the T-body, and so they all 4 are yellow. T-foot, we have the red background, and it's the same as the head. We could have multiple rows in T-foot and they'd all be red. However, we just have the one, and so we just have one that's red. Here's a key rule down here though. TD, text align center. That takes care of all of the cells except for the header. Why did I make it so specific to the TD tag? Because that's all I needed to center, because TH already is centered by default. So that is the table. I hope this example made sense to you. Again, it's not a very long code. It's I'm 62 lines and I have a couple blank ones in there. Well, at least, okay, one blank one. So 61 lines for this, not too bad. And I'll see you in the next video.